What is up YouTube? IDM here and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get Flappy Bird in 2021 on iOS 14. Now a jailbroken iPhone is required to get this. If I do discover a non-jailbreak method, I will leave a video link for that down in the description. I'm sure it's possible by finding this IPA and using AltStore to install it. So like I said, once I figure out that method, I'll leave a link in the description for those of you that might not be jailbroken. But for those of you that are jailbroken, it's super easy to install Flappy Bird in 2021. And hopefully this continues to be hosted on this repo, because I swear Flappy Bird comes back, it goes away, it comes back, it goes away. But basically all you got to do is go into your package manager of choice, whether that be Cydia or Cilio or installer. I like to use Zebra. So we'll hop in here, and this is the package that you will need to install in order to get the Flappy Bird application. I will leave the repo link in the description. And obviously from here, you can just go ahead and click on install for the application. I actually it was a little weird with Zebra. For some reason with Zebra, it actually did not want to install it first. So I just hopped into Cilio, and then it did install by using Cilio. So take note on that. You might have to use Cilio or Cydia to get this. I'm not sure what was going on. But you know, just take note on that. If you're having issues with Zebra, just try your original installer or package manager rather. But after you go ahead and install it, obviously here you go, you get your Flappy Bird. Now what's cool is this actually has a leaderboard built in, which I thought was pretty sweet. As you can see, the person that's in first place is at 679 pipes, which is freaking nuts. But this is the top 25 leaderboards, and I thought that was really cool. You can view all right here, so you can see all users, which I think that's really neat. I don't know if you guys are into Flappy Bird anymore, even in 2021, but I like to hop on. It's kind of torture because it's such a hard game, but there's something nostalgic about it, and just knowing that you can't get it from the App Store anymore and being able to actually play it. I just find it to be kind of fun to just hop in here occasionally and attempt to play it. As you can see, the Flappy Birds are actually different colors and stuff too. It's not just that same yellow Flappy Bird. They're like purple and this like white and black one, and blue ones. There's just different colors. I think it's really quite cool. You have your normal settings here. New birds you can toggle on, haptics. Adaptive backgrounds is for a daytime or nighttime kind of background. Your sound toggle, and yeah, I'm surprised I got 6 in video. Let's see if we can beat 6. This is really hard to do at the angle that I'm recording this. Oh well, let me know if you guys like to play Flappy Bird still in 2021. If you do, let me know what your high score is. But anyways, this has been Jeremy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.